Well, yeah, deep in the undergrowth. Now that is the national bird of Tobago.
And it's called a cocorico because of the sound that it makes.
And they taste very nice, apparently.
It's amazing, it's like he's swimming mostly underwater.
There's a heron fanning his wings. Can you hear him? Can you hear him? He's making a noise.
Yes, and he's moving. And he might move very fast.
He looks kind of cute from here. He's got a smile.